Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get these special Maltese food recipes, Maltese Con Panna in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia has a new collaborations with Maltese, and in here you can unlock or you can get the new exclusive food recipes. One of them is Maltese Con Panna like this. And to get this recipe is very easy. First just tap the globe icon, this one, and then after that just go to the Bobby gacha machine like this, and then after that just go to the exchange store, tap exchange store, this one, and then scroll down until you find the recipe, this recipe Maltese Con Panna. And to get this recipe you need 10 Maltese tokens. So make sure you already have the Maltese tokens, 10 Maltese tokens. And if you don't know how to get these Maltese tokens, you can just check the link in the descriptions to watch the tutorial about to get these tokens. And after that, after you have enough tokens, just tap on purchase like this, and just like that you will get the new recipe of this Maltese Con Panna. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.